Hello everyone, myself Satya, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. In today's class, we are going to have the topic eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Already we saw many problems in this topic, so this is one of the case we are going to see now. Okay, so this is a problem, find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of the matrix. This is the matrix. Okay, so for this matrix, we need to find the eigenvalue and eigenvector. So we are going to have the same procedure. We are going to start with characteristic equation. So the equation is what? Lambda cube minus d1 lambda square plus d2 lambda then minus d3 equal to 0. Okay. Then what is d1? Yes, d1 equal to sum of the main diagonals. Here the diagonals are 2 plus 3 plus 2. The answer is what? 7. Okay. Then d2 is what? So d2 equal to sum of the minus of the main diagonal. The first diagonal, take the first row, first column, take the remaining one as a matrix. So 3, 1, 2, 2. And take the second diagonal, leave the second row, second column. The remaining is 2, 1, 1, 2. And third diagonal, leave the third row, third column. The remaining one is 2, 2, 1, 3. Okay, just find the answer. So take the cross multiplication. 3 into 2 is what? 6. Then minus 2 plus the next one is what? 4 minus 1. And the last one is yes. So which is nothing but 6 minus 2. Okay, now the answer is what? Yes, which is 4 plus 3 plus 4. Finally, the value is 11. Okay, now we need to find d3. For d3, what is the formula? Yes, which is nothing but the determinant of A. Just expand the first row. Take the first element 2 and leave that row and its column. Okay, take the remaining one, which is 3, 1, 2, 2, and take the next element as minus 2. Leave the first row, second column, and take the remaining one, which is 1, 1, 1, 2. And the next element is 1. So 1 into, leave the first row, last column. Okay. So the remaining one is what? 1, 3, 1, 2. Okay. Now we expanded the first row. Just find the value. So 2 into, this one is what? 6 and minus 2. So this is minus 2 into, this one is what? Yes, which is 2 minus 1 and plus 1 into, the next one is 2 minus 3. Okay, finally the value is what? 2 into 4 minus 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1. Okay, the final value is 2 into 4 is what? 8. Okay, so 8 minus 2 minus 1, which is nothing but 5. Okay, finally we got all the values given to 2, 3. Okay, just substitute all the values in this equation. So finally we are going to get the characteristic equation as lambda cube minus 7 lambda square and plus 11 lambda minus d3 is 5. That should be equal to 0. Okay, now we completed the characteristic equation. Now we are going to proceed with the eigenvalue. Eigenvalue, which is nothing but we are going to solve this equation. Okay, how many roots for this equation? Yes, which is nothing but 3 because in the power we are having 3. Okay, now we will find the eigenvalues. Either you can use the calculator or you can use the synthetic division, right? You can take the coefficients in the order 1, minus 7, 11, minus 5 and put the value here 0. Now we are going to start with 1. Okay. Then 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1. Then 1 into 1 is 1. Minus 7 plus 1 is minus 6. Minus 6 into 1 is minus 6. 11 minus 6 is 5. 5 into 1 is 5. And finally the value is 0. If you are getting 0, we can say this is one of them. Okay, so lambda equal to 1 and you can write this one as an equation. So which is lambda square minus 6 lambda plus 5. That should be equal to 0. Now multiplication is 5, addition is minus 6. We need to find two numbers. So 5 and minus 6. Okay, the two numbers are minus 2 and minus 3. So multiplication is 6. And addition is minus 5. So we can write this one as the equation lambda minus 2, lambda minus 3 equal to 0. From that we are going to get lambda as 2 and 3. Already we got 1. Okay, now we are going to consolidate all the eigenvalues. So the eigenvalues are, yes, the eigenvalues are 1, 2, 3. Okay, the next thing is we need to find the eigenvector. That is, now we are going to recall all the steps. Yes. So we are going to start with the formula to check the given matrix whether it is 3 cross 3 or 2 cross 2. So this is 3 cross 3. So we are going to have this formula. So here we need to find d1, d2, d3. So we'll have the formula. So So D1 is nothing but we need to add all the diagonals. So we are going to get the answer as 7. And D2 is just find the minus of the diagonal element. Finally, we can take the sum, which is 11. Okay. And D3 is nothing but determinant of A, which is nothing but order to expand the first row. First row means order to include all the elements in the order. Okay. Finally, we are going to get the elements as 5. Now substitute all the values in this equation. Okay. So finally, we get the characteristic equation is lambda cube minus 7 lambda square plus 11 lambda minus 5 equal to 0. Now we need to solve this equation using synthetic division. Okay, so synthetic division means I want to write the coefficients in the order. So this is nothing but 1, minus 7, 11, minus 5. And take the first element as 0, then we can proceed with the concept. Okay, that is we know, right? So with that concept, we just proceed. So finally we get lambda as 1, 2, 3. Okay, then we are going to find the eigenvector. Eigenvector will have the formula. So using that formula, we are going to find the answer, right? Before that, check the eigenvalues. The eigenvalues are deleted. Okay, this is the case we are seeing in today's class. Okay, yes. Thank you. Remind you. We will see you in the next class.